The YouTube Music app lets you listen to the latest hits, stay connected to the artists you love, and discover new music and podcasts that you can enjoy all across your devices. In this video, we'll show you how to use the YouTube Music app to help you find your favorite music and podcasts. To get the best music and podcast experience, we recommend that you sign up for YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium, so you can get uninterrupted access to stream all you want on the YouTube Music app. Listen to the world's largest music catalog with over 100 million songs, ad-free, offline, and in the background. Enjoy personalized mixes, playlists to fit every mood, chart toppers from around the world, and more, all without ads. When you open up the YouTube Music app, you'll see 4 tabs at the bottom of your screen: Home, Samples, Explore, and Library. Your homepage has customized radios and recommendations based on your current mood, activity, or listening history. Tap the search bar to find a specific song, artist, album, or podcast. You can also search for music using a genre or mood like pop upbeat or hits from a particular era. The chips at the top of your homepage give you recommended radios and playlists based on your mood, or take you to podcasts that you follow. The speed dial shelf is a visual grid that helps you quickly explore and listen to the songs and artists that you keep on repeat. Other shelves on your homepage highlight your favorite genres, radios, or mixes we think you'll enjoy based on your listening history. Easily create custom radios for whatever you're in the mood for by combining different artists. This lets you select the vibe and amount of new music you want. Once you start playing a song, tap Up Next to see a queue of songs that are similar to the one you're listening to. Right above the queue, you'll see chips that let you tune your listening to a specific mood or popularity level. Use timed lyrics to follow the words on screen as you listen to a song. If you're looking for your favorite part of the song, you can tap on a specific lyric to jump to that part of the track. Without leaving the app, you can easily read, engage with, and add new comments to the music and podcasts you're listening to. The Samples tab takes you to a personalized feed of short-form video segments that expose you to new music. Each immersive clip offers a glimpse into the artist, the video, and the feel of the song. Simply swipe vertically to experience a new song. Press the Save button to add the song to your library, the Shorts button to use the sound in a new short, or Share to share the song with others. Use the Explore tab to browse the newest releases and podcasts on YouTube Music, or pick a playlist based on your listening preferences. Go to the Library tab to view songs, playlists, albums, and podcasts you've saved to your library. You can also view recently played songs and playlists and see any music and podcasts you've downloaded. Another benefit of the YouTube Music app is that you can find and listen to many of your favorite podcasts. Use the search button to look for podcasts or episodes. Once you've saved or followed a podcast, it'll appear in your library. Build, manage, and play all of your saved episodes with the Episodes for Later playlist. Do note that even as a YouTube Music Premium and YouTube Premium member, you may still hear branding or promotions embedded in podcasts by the creator. To learn more about the YouTube Music app experience, check out the article in the description. Thanks for watching.